Welcome everyone, and thank you for tuning in to hear my trading and market updates. This is Uncle Frank, and I'm not a financial advisor, nor is any of the content to be construed as financial advice. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. Please remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed the presentation, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you're alerted when I have new information to share. So now let's get into the latest updates. Hey, welcome back everyone. I've got some great news for you in this episode, so let's build some momentum as we go into the next trading session. From Variety, box office, Barbie breaks ground with biggest opening day of 2023, Oppenheimer doling up to $77 million debut. And how about this headline from Deadline? Barbie still gorgeous with best year-to-date $150 million opening. Oppenheimer ticking to $80 million, an incredible $300 million U.S. box office weekend. The theaters are dead. And the headaches just keep coming for the Hedgies. From Independent, Barbie on track to earn biggest ever box office opening for non-superhero film. Both Barbie and Oppenheimer have exceeded projections in a huge way. And from The Hollywood Reporter, box office fusion, Barbie heads for staggering $155 million plus opening. Oppenheimer eyes $77 million. Thanks to the Barbenheimer phenomenon, it's the first time in history that a three-day weekend has seen one movie open to $100 million or more and another to $50 million or more. And it could be the fourth biggest weekend of all time at the domestic box office. And what does Wall Street have to say about it on this fine Sunday? AMC Entertainment is likely going to file Chapter 11. I'm out of EPR Properties. Now, for those of you who don't know, that's a big real estate investment trust. AMC is one of its biggest tenants. I did a video on them. They pay a great 7.25 dividend at these current prices. And from the article, EPR's top three tenant, AMC, has a cash runway of around 2 quarters left and has failed to gain approval to raise more funds through its convertible preferred stock. Now, guys, I don't know if you forgot, but when your stock price is up, you can sell stock at a higher price and raise more money. Okay, so it's a half truth. A bankruptcy filing for AMC would cause EPR to retest its lows from last September when Regal filed for Chapter 11. A low payout ratio of 63.4% likely means the dividends would be safe in the event of an AMC restructuring. So let's take a look at the chart on EPR. We'll see if they're in trouble. Okay, so here's the chart for EPR. Over the past 3 months, they're up just over 15%. They pay a dividend, looks like, every month. So far, this chart doesn't show me a company in distress yet. Now, guys, I need your help on this project. I need you to share and repost this video everywhere you can on your social media, challenging apes to help build some momentum for the company. When you have an amazing day, like we did on Friday, the thing you want is to build momentum. We are already having a spectacular weekend at the box office, and in Uncle Frank's opinion, the little extra thing we need right now are some positive press releases. For example, maybe we set another food and beverage record. Well, here's the problem. I have long believed that we have a very quiet and almost silent investor relations department for a reason. My theory was that the company, of course, wants to perform well, but is silent about our great news and business developments because they know if there's a sudden spike in the stock price, that could morph into a short squeeze, especially with cost to borrow at 1,000%. And if that happens, the company fears that if apes sell, they may stop supporting the stock and the company that made our insiders multi-millionaires over the past couple of years. The reason we need to release more good news from the company is our stock is constantly targeted by the financial press with negative hit pieces. I would argue more than any other stock in history. So, for those of you that don't know, this is John Merriweather. He is our VP of Investor Relations. He has a glowing recommendation from the Vice Chairman of Investment Banking at Morgan Stanley, Jim Forbes, but not many from our shareholder community. Now, we promoted him 1 year and 9 months ago to VP of Capital Markets and Investor Relations. Our stock price was over $36 per share back then, so I have some questions for John. I have included his email, so you can ask respectful questions too at jmerriweather@amctheaters.com. Question 1, April 25th of this year. AMC Investor Relations put out this press release. AMC Theater launches the AMC Entertainment Visa Card. Moviegoers can now apply for the card that allows AMC stub members to earn rewards faster through everyday purchases. This was great news. But, John, how many people applied? How many cards were approved? Could we get a little update on our branded credit card? Question 2 comes from late February of this year. Press release. AMC Entertainment launching its all-new line of microwave popcorn and ready-to-eat popcorn exclusively at Walmart. John, this is amazing news. How many Walmarts did we sell out at? Are we expanding into other stores like Costco? I mean, John, can you give us an update on what's going on with our retail popcorn? Because I've eaten enough to fill a dump truck. And question 3 for John is about our merchandise website. Okay, that was a suggestion from the AMC apes to do, AMC things like that coffee mug on the screen. I bought one. You guys know I'm a prolific collector of AMC memorabilia. I own thousands of dollars worth of popcorn buckets. Headline, AMC's collectible popcorn buckets are hot. Here's how to score a pink Barbie Corvette. Now, guys, here's the thing. We sold out a lot of items. Could we get an update? I know that the AMC coffee mug is available on eBay. People are reselling them, but they were sold out. How many items did we sell out on our merchandise website? I think that would be some exciting information because AMC has something that all its competitors don't, and that's the apes buying this merchandise like this. I think we deserve an update. And guys, over at the Reddit sentiment and mention tracker, everything that Uncle Frank loves is trending. XRP is in the second position over the past 8 hours with 128 mentions. That's up 68%. AMC, 78 mentions in the fourth position. Ape in the 8th position with 33 mentions. I can't wait for pre-market trading at 3 o'clock in the morning. Hey, I want to thank you for watching, and please remember to hit the like button after this slide if you enjoyed the presentation. Subscribe to the channel and set the alert so you're notified when I have new information to share. See you at the bell.